Hi there guys, my name is Lydia Waring and I'm here in the beautiful Midwest Film Factory studio filming the first ever episode of a little show we like to call What's Wearing. Now it's a little fashion show that we're putting together to kind of demonstrate to you guys different ways that you can dress in today's modern world. Today I kind of wanted to focus on specifically outfits that you can wear to your next working lunch. Why don't we just jump right into the 3 outfits that I came here to show you guys, and I'll see you guys in a couple minutes. It's gonna take 10 years to stop shaking. Does anyone else find the moving hangers to be a distraction, or is it just me? Alright, I think that's stable enough now. Alright, so here we have our first outfit, and this is kind of an outfit I really like because it's casual but put together at the same time, and it has a lot of more timeless pieces. We have the multicolored check blazer, we have the knit cream sweater, the Western style black leather belt. We have the pale wash mom jeans that are high-waisted, and we have some shiny patent leather loafers with tassels on them. Do we all like some tassels? I like tassels. This outfit is great for more reasons than one. I mean, other than the fact that I think it looks pretty darn good, at the same time it has multiple functions. So let's say you're at this working lunch and you're having a good old time, which is unlikely because it's a working lunch. You're eating, you're talking, you're going through the important topics, the nitty-gritty details, and you spill some soup on your lap. Now, there's a couple things you can do when you have such a tragic accident. One thing you can do is not order soup because we all know it's a spilling hazard, or the second thing you can do is just to button up the blazer. Now it's buttoned and still looks good, right? Right? So you spilled some soup on yourself, but then we just closed up that long line blazer. No one's the wiser. Doesn't even matter, didn't even happen. You can still save some face at this professional luncheon. Now the pieces we have here, this checked blazer, plaid blazer, which has some tan, cream, black, and rusty brown fibers in it with a black lining. This blazer I got from Forever 21. It's a pretty good deal. The knit sweater was also Forever 21. The Western style black leather belt I got at Walmart for $10. These pale wash high-waisted mom jeans I got at American Eagle quite a long time ago, and they're still selling them, and I think they've been selling them for several years now because it's a good product. Like, these feel like legitimate jeans, like the way they used to make denim, where it wasn't all just like stretchy, like I can't tell if I'm wearing jeans or leggings. Like, these aren't jeggings, these are jeans, and very flattering in my opinion. I think that they work really well and they're extremely versatile. I basically live in these jeans. We have our patent leather loafers that are from Steve Madden. I got them secondhand. They're very beautiful, shiny patent leather with a low heel, about a little over an inch or so, and I think it just kind of takes this kind of casual look and just polishes it up at the very bottom. It kind of brings it all together, so I'm a big fan of it. And here I have this tote bag, which can pretty easily be used on your professional outings. It's just a plain black tote bag, also from Walmart, I believe. But the great thing about it is that it's reversible and it has a brown interior. So it's amazing. I'm gonna live with it for the rest of my life and raise it like my child. And another note, I like to roll up the sleeves of my blazers. So to roll up the blazers, I think keeps it from looking like I'm swimming in it and I'm just a little kid playing dress up. So that's outfit 1. It's affordable. So let's just do a quick awkward change here and we'll go for outfit number 2. Hello and welcome to outfit number 2. I think that this outfit is pretty perfect for spring and summer. And you may be thinking, like, dark gray and black, that's for spring and summer? Well, yeah it is, because There's no saying that you can't wear these dark muted colors year round. I think everybody's aware of that, so like, why not just do it? You don't have to wear pastels if you don't want to wear pastels. You don't have to wear floral if you don't want to wear floral. I personally like to keep to dark muted colors, and that's just the way I like it. Black makes me happy. For your next working lunch, this outfit has one key characteristic that I think you will really appreciate, because I did, and that's these billowing sleeves. Now, since these sleeves are not cemented to your armpit, they do an amazing job of hiding those nervous sweat stains that you may get on your typical business outing, like I do. Well, I don't even have to be on a business outing to get nervous sweat. I get nervous sweat when I'm just sitting at work by myself, or at home by myself, or just anywhere by myself. But this is a great top, you know, button-ups. You can never go wrong with a nice button-up for any sort of business occasion. And these high-waisted black trousers are very flattering. You know, the pleats kind of do a good job because they stand out a bit on their own. I think they do a pretty good job of hiding a food baby. We all like to hide the food baby, and I think that the billowing top and the kind of voluminous pants teamed up with the cinched in high waist kind of like draws in the waist and gives you the nice shapely look. Who doesn't like that? And they have pockets, like full-size pockets, so that's fantastic as well. And these low kitten heels are kind of coming back into style, particularly the block heels. You might be seeing those around. And the pointed toe is also fantastic, kind of elongates the leg. Who doesn't love that either? With low heel, you can look really nice, put together, and sophisticated without tripping over yourself all day long, because we all do it. Unless you were like wearing heels since you were in middle school, you're just gonna have a hard time in tall heels on long days. And as we all know, most business days are long days. This top is from Forever 21, shocker. It's a Dolman sleeve top. And there's a lot of stores that are selling shirts like this. You may not have an easy time finding this color, because I bought this shirt like 4 years ago, so I'm sorry about that. These pants I got from H&M, also like 3 years ago. But H&M is always selling high-waisted black trousers. They just always have them, so you shouldn't have too hard of a time tracking down a pair for yourself. And these shoes, Forever 21. You sensing a pattern here? I think this outfit is really nice, really good for your typical business outings. So that is outfit number 2. Now let me do one last awkward quick change, and we'll see you again for outfit number 3, if you are still here. Hello again, and welcome to outfit number 3 and the final outfit for this video. We're finally adding some color in to this little wardrobe video. Yes, this little marigold yellow v-neck, I'm a big fan of it. And I think that this outfit works really well for a professional lunch or any kind of businessy event, because thanks to this long midi skirt, it looks a little more put together, and it looks different from what a lot of other people are wearing. You'll notice a lot of other people are going to be wearing lots of khaki and black slacks, but we can do better than that, you know? I think that this kind of marigold yellow color helps make you look a little more alive. Next we have this braided brown leather belt with some gold hardware, and then we have this long black midi skirt with some pleating in the front, and it leaves just a few inches of my ankle exposed, so I'd have to shave a little more for this one, but I think it's worth it. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty well worth it. Then we have some nice brown leather Oxfords. I own several pairs of Oxfords. They're one of my favorite pairs of shoes. They're definitely a classic, and they're a classic for a reason, and they're just a nice step up your average ballet flat or a sneaker or your average pair of black pumps. Now, a lot of fashion blogs and experts will tell you to never pair a flat shoe with a midi skirt, and I don't think that's accurate. I think this looks pretty nice together. They say that it makes you look shorter, but like, I don't know. I am short, so why try to hide it? This top I got from Walmart, again, This belt is Walmart. This skirt is from a brand called JH Collectibles. And then these shoes are from a brand called Bull Boxer. And I got them from a store called Gordman's. They were on the clearance rack. But anyway, this outfit is also good. This black skirt helps to hide food stains in case you accidentally spill something on yourself. The low shoes help keep you from getting swollen feet. Now, in regards to the yellow, it may take a while for you to find a yellow color that looks good on your skin tone. Yellow is, although it's a happy and beautiful color and it deserves a little more love and deserves a little more room in our closets, it can be hard to find a yellow that doesn't make you look sick, washed out, or bring out certain undertones in your skin. So just kind of like look around. Maybe pastel yellow is for you, maybe a deep mustard is for you, or maybe this kind of marigold yellow is for you, but it's everywhere now. Just get it while you can because things do fall in and out of trend. Each piece kind of stands out on its own, but together they just look like they belong. So I'll wrap up outfit 3, and that's gonna be it for me today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this preview of 3 different outfits that you can wear to your next working lunch. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave us a like, a comment, share it with somebody you think would enjoy it. I would love to hear from you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in to the first ever episode of What's Wearing Films here at Midwest Film Factory. Have a great day, you guys.